Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone 80% charge limit not working after the new iOS 17.5 update. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If your iPhone 80% charge limit is not working, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely shut down, turn it on back and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is check for software updates. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is reset all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset. Tap on reset, reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Check for battery calibration issues. Calibrate your battery by letting it drain to 0 and then charging it to 100 and fix your problem. If solution number four is not working, checking for battery health, go to settings, little bit scroll up to find battery and tap on it. Health, and ensure your battery health is in good condition. If your battery health is not good, simply replace your battery and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is disable and re-enable the 80% charge limit feature on iPhone. Go to the settings, battery health, charging limitation and toggle off and then back on. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find battery, tap on battery and health and charging. You can see appears on screen. If feature is showing, simply select and fix your problem, turn it on back and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, reset your iPhone, go to the settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset, reset all settings, erase all content and settings and set up your iPhone back and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, contact Apple Support and visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer to fix battery problems, charging problems on iPhone. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.